Welcome back to the channel where we break down real-world solar installations. If you're into DIY solar or learning how these systems actually work, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. One of the biggest mistakes I've seen in the DIY solar field is people getting confused when wiring these DC miniature breakers. Unfortunately, I've seen this mistake lead to damaged charge controllers and even destroyed hybrid inverters because the polarity was connected incorrectly. Let's take a look at this breaker. If you look at it from left to right, you'll see at the top there's a positive terminal on the left and a negative terminal on the right. On the bottom row, there's a negative terminal on the left and a positive terminal on the right. A lot of people simply follow these symbols and assume they should wire it like a normal 2-pole breaker. It can be confusing if you don't have experience with these types of PV breakers. What many people do incorrectly is connect the positive wire from the solar array to the top left terminal of the breaker and the negative lead from the solar array to the bottom left terminal of the breaker. Then they run the bottom right terminal marked positive to the charge controller's positive input and the top right terminal marked negative to the charge controller's negative input. This is the wrong way to wire it. Here's why. If I put my continuity tester on this top left positive terminal and then touch the top right negative terminal, I get continuity. The same thing happens if I put one probe on this bottom left negative terminal and the other probe on the bottom right positive terminal. I also get continuity there. That tells us that the breaker is connected horizontally inside, not vertically like many people assume. So the correct way to wire it is this. The positive wire from the PV array goes to the top left positive terminal. The output for the positive conductor comes from this top right terminal, even though it's marked negative. That wire then goes to the positive PV input on your charge controller or hybrid inverter. Likewise, the negative wire from the PV array goes to this bottom left negative terminal. The output for that negative conductor comes from this bottom right terminal, even though it's marked positive. That wire then goes to the negative PV input on your charge controller or hybrid inverter. The important lesson here is, don't assume that the terminals are connected vertically just because of the polarity markings. Always verify the internal connections with a continuity test and follow the manufacturer's wiring diagram. Now I hope this video helped cleared up some of the confusion about wiring these miniature breakers. If you found it helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, share it with someone who might need it, and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY solar content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.